So now it is that time to take a notebook and start writing points what I'm going to talk about. Diversity visa lottery, or rather green card by lottery. There are other ways of getting green card, like marriage, green card by being refugee, asylum, by work employment sponsorship, or by a family sponsoring you. Not just marriage, like if I'm a US citizen, I can sponsor my father, my mother, my siblings. Those are other ways you can get a green card. But we are talking green card by lottery, or rather diversity visa lottery. So what is this lottery? And why is it there, first of all? So green card by lottery or diversity visa, just by the name itself, is diversity. The purpose is to bring diversity in the United States of America. We all know that everybody came to America at one point of their life. So if someone comes from one country to here, what is your immigration status? So we are talking about immigrants. And by immigrants, we mean people with at least permanent residence, not just international student, because international student, you are expected to go back to your home country. So you're not considered as immigrant here in the United States. So the United States, through what is called Immigration and Nationality Act, started or established in 1990s, started something called diversity visa lottery. That means we can give green card, we can give permanent residence to the countries with less number of representation here in the United States of America. By less number of representation, they are going to look the countries which have less number of people got green card through family or through employment. If a country has less than 50,000 in the last 5 years, the country is allowed to participate in the diversity visa lottery. But if the country has more than 50,000 people in the last 5 years, with the people who were given green card, or rather just immigrants, green card by employment or green card by family sponsorship, if they exceed 50,000, that country is not eligible to apply. But not being eligible doesn't mean it is forever. If next year you are allowed to apply, if the country, the number is going to be eligibility down. So at the moment, in Africa, all African countries are allowed to apply with exception of Nigeria. Because there are so many people in Nigeria who have received green card through family sponsorship or through work sponsorship in the last 5 years. And again, application for the green card lottery is free of charge and is only conducted by the US government. No any other agency, no any other company is allowed to conduct green card by lottery. So if you go right now and to the Google search and type green card lottery or the V lottery, diversity visa lottery, you'll find thousands of messages, thousands of search results, websites, but most of those, they are fake. The correct website must end with the word .gov. So the correct website, which we'll be talking over and over, is dvprogram.state.gov. dvprogram.state.gov. DV stands for diversity visa. Program is a program, DV program. State is Department of State. And .gov means the government of the United States of America. No any other company in the world will have the .gov as the domain. So only the United States government will have .state.gov. That is the correct website you can be able to use. So don't apply to any other website. No company say we are going to apply for you. We are giving you a guarantee of winning. So green card by lottery is that one, and you will be able to apply for free online, and we'll be going to tell you what are the requirements you need to have, what are the things you need to have when you are supposed to make that application of the diversity visa lottery, or at what time will you need to apply, because it's not all the time you can be allowed to apply.